Alright guys, so today we will be doing an unboxing of the DJI Mic Mini. Yes, that's how the box is looking like. It's got the receiver and two transmitters. Yeah. Alright, I just had to remove the foil. So let's go. Okay. Yeah, these are some just paperwork. I don't really need that. Okay, so let's see here. Looks like we have a pouch. Okay, so let's see the goodies. Okay, this is a nice pouch. Feels like good quality. Yeah, there's a zipper. It's got an inside pocket as well. Yeah, you can put my cable for little bits and pieces. Yeah. Okay, and it's padded. Yeah, so it offers some protection. Okay. So that's a cable. 3.5 millimeter cable, I think. Yeah. You can connect it with probably pretty much any device that has the audio out. Okay. So these are the windscreens. Yeah, I think it's two black and two gray ones. Fluffy little things. Yeah, oopsie. Okay. That's the black, and this is the gray one. Yeah, very cute. Okay. So this is it. And that's the charging case. Okay. Alright, so these are the mics. You can see they're quite tiny. Yeah, it comes with two. Guess. And this is an USB-C adapter. And I believe here it's got some slots to like put your memory card. Okay.